The goal of business is to give customers the goods and services that they demand. And for a business and for a country, the way we are successful is to have more output than the input that we use and consume. Accounting is a field that has been around the world for hundreds of years and benefits from hundreds of years of best practice and research, especially research and best practice that's developed in the last 10, 20 years. Therefore, at CamEd, in our curriculum, we employ international best practice. We use and refer to the standards set by the IASB, the International Accounting Standards Board, the International Federation of Accountants, IFAC, and we use much of the curriculum and examinations of the International Accountancy Professional Body, the ACCA. To be a successful accountant or a successful business person, we don't only need to study accounting, we also need management skills, finance skills, and soft skills.
The approach that we use in CamEd is focused on way more than only simply providing new knowledge. We offer, for example, a course of psychology in our bachelor program, where we really try to develop soft skills in our students. And we do this in different ways. So, for example, we try to make our students more responsible for their own learning process. In this way, students can learn other skills, such as keeping motivation, dealing with setbacks and stress, but also more specific planning skills, such as time management and prioritizing. Because all these skills are actually extremely important in your professional career.
For management skills, we need to be able to develop business strategy. We need to know tax, law, and for finance, we need to be able to make the investment decisions that come with business.
I think COVID came with a lot of challenges for all of us. So also for us professors and our students, we had to go through a lot of huge changes in our daily lives. I think one of the biggest changes for professors and students is, of course, that everything went from face-to-face learning to 100% online. And it comes with a lot of new, exciting possibilities, but also some serious challenges. For example, one of the biggest challenges for our students, but also for us professors, is that by being online all the time, you sort of start to miss the more personal connection with each other. Students with their fellow students and professors, but also for us. Now, for the learning process, this is actually very important. So at CamEd, in the last year, we really focused on trying to prevent this from happening. So things we did, for example, is to introduce extra hours for each course, where students, outside of their normal lecture time, can online connect with their professors to get more personal help or to ask questions about the things that they're learning. But we also try to do this in other ways. We increased our club activities and other extracurricular events as far as possible, just to make sure that this connection stays as much as possible.
Even though we are teaching all classes purely in online, but we are doing actually more activities than physical classes, including all kinds of assignments, both individual, group assignments, in-class exercises, even the virtual field trips. We are bringing the industry speakers virtually to the classroom. Students, when they need to meet industry or they need to interview a specific person from an industry, we are making appointment with them so then they can have a video conference or any other meetings virtually. I can give example of my class assignment where the student need to go out and they need to meet different industries to make them as a key partner in order to set up a business, which they have successfully executed through online.
We also work with employers to have work placements for our students so that our students are studying and applying the skills they have learned at the same time, so that when our students graduate, they're ready for work.
I'm really proud to be part of CamEd because one, we continue to deliver a high quality of education. But even more, I'm really proud of being part of CamEd because we keep attention to personal development and well-being of our students too. And I'm just very grateful to be able to be part of that.
This pandemic is going to end soon, and we can't wait to welcome you back in our campus.